Whether you're a believer or not, we all heard of fortune tellers, and let's be real, they sometimes tell us some amazingly true things. Some of them read into hand palms, tea leaves, coffee cups, and the newest trend is reading into your makeup. That's right, some fortune tellers today are specialized in lipstick readings. They claim to unlock the keys to your future and personality by analyzing the lipstick you are wearing. The method is simple. You sit down with a lipstick fortune teller, you apply your favorite lipstick and plant a big kiss on a piece of paper, leaving behind an imprint to the fortune to look in, and tells you what traits are most prominent in your personality. Each person have different traits that stand up from one to another, and that's what a lipstick reader uses to unlock your personality hidden secrets. For example, a not very defined line means that the person has a lot of creativity and a very sensual feel. A closed and narrow mouth says that the person is private. Most of the people who tried this method said it was spot on, and they will do it again. So would you try it? If you will or already did, make sure to share the experience with us.